you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I created this cut crease look. I look a little crazy with these lashes, but it'll all come together. So I'm starting off with my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm starting off with the shade Hell Ride, this really pretty burgundy shade. I'm going to be applying that with my Morphe 213 brush. It's a really small detail brush. I'm going to draw a line for my crease, so I'm starting off above my natural crease since I do have hooded eyes, and then I'm gonna wing it out towards the end. Now I'm taking the shade Baja, this dark orange shade. I'm using my Morphe 321 brush, a really small blending brush. With this shade, I'm going to blend out the burgundy shade. So I'm just blending that shade right on that line and just blending everything out. And I'm making sure I'm not bringing it too high since I am going to be applying other colors above it. I'm taking the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, and I'm going to be dipping in that bright orange shade, and with the same brush I'm going to apply the bright orange shade, and I'm putting this shade right above the darker orange shade just to give my eye a little bit more depth and a little bit more brightness since I am going for a more summery look. Now I'm going in that bright yellow shade and with my Morphe M506, and I'm applying this shade right above the orange shade just to blend the orange shades out and also just to add some yellow in there because I wanted this look to look a little bit more brighter.
Maybe you taking my shit for the last time, yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk, maybe I know you're the one, maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive.
I'm taking the shade Stranded, this really bright shimmery gold color, and with my BH Cosmetics number 9 brush, a really small flat detailed brush, I'm going to apply this shade right onto my brow bone. To cut my crease, I'm taking my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium. Once I apply my concealer on, I do blink just so I have a nice guide to where to cut my crease. So I'm using my E19, my flat brush. This has to be one of my favorite brushes to cut my crease. Any brush will do just as long as it's flat. And I'm just cutting my crease all the way through until the end. I'm taking this beige shade Weekender, and I'm going to take a flat BH brush and apply this all onto my new lid. I'm going back in the shade Hell Ride, and I'm going to take my Morphe M408 and I'm going to go along that crease line one more time just to give it a little bit more definition and really make it stand out just because it kind of got faded with all the blending. For my eyeliner, I'm taking my NYX matte eyeliner and I'm going to be applying my wing liner. I'm curling my lashes with my lash curler, and then I'm applying my L'Oreal Paradise mascara onto my top lashes. I'm taking my Lilly lashes in the style Caviar, and can we get into these lashes, y'all? They're just to die for. So I just applied my dual lash glue off camera. And now I'm just applying my lashes, and as you can see, they're super easy to put on. And I'm just squeezing my real lashes and the fake lashes together with my tweezers. And there you go, lashes are on. I'm going back in the shade Stranded, and with the same BH number 9 flat brush, I'm going to apply this shade right into my inner corner. I'm taking the shade Hell Ride, and I'm using my Morphe M408 brush, and I'm applying this shade really close to my lash line and just blending it all the way through. And I'm going in the shade Baja and with my Morphe M321 and blending that shade in as well.
Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you taking my shit for the last time.
I'm dipping in that bright orange shade from the Juvias Place palette, and with the same brush, I'm also blending the shade into my lash line. And finally, dipping in that yellow shade with my Morphe M506, and I'm blending everything out one final time with the yellow shade. And I'm finishing this look off with mascara to my bottom lashes. And there you have it, you guys, this summer sunset cut crease look. I'm obsessed. I love how all the colors came together. If you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out.